So we are now at the hotspot mobile and devices in hall number 8, and with me is Alexander Zudin. He is CEO of Paragon Software Group. What exactly is Paragon Software Group offering here at the book fair?
Our core business is a service to publishers. We are specifically good in converting dictionaries into the digital products. We serve companies like Pons, Duden, Langenscheidt, Warwick, Merriam-Webster, Oxford, and around 35 other publishers.
All the big names.
Yeah, all the big names in the industry. And our main business is to make sure that we do the products which are in line with this digital revolution, because in recent days there have been a lot of discussions and rumors about that digital is killing print. So our business is to show to big publishers how digital is actually enhancing their business rather than killing the print.
And what's the key to success in that area? How does it work?
Well, the biggest difference that digital brings to dictionary business is that you can start creating the products which were not possible in print. Let's say if we take a classic example of in Germany the Deutsche Rechtschreibung dictionary, which used to be just a list of the words. When it comes to digital age, and that's what we did, for example, with Warwick, you can combine the list of the words with direct references to German grammar. So basically, in the past, it used to be two different print books, whereas in digital, you can combine them into a single product. So in a sense, we're creating a product which couldn't exist in print.
So that's really added value in a way.
It is added value on one hand, and on the other hand, the biggest problem that publishers are facing is specifically in this country is free websites like leo.org. And the challenge is for them to create a content which is much better than a free content outside. And that's what we have done with Warwick. That's one of the examples. You can go to leo.org, but you won't find the grammar information connected to the dictionaries, and that's the way for publishers to fight against free resources like Google Translate, leo.org, and others.
So you always got to be one step ahead of the free competitors in a way.
Exactly, and and that also gives the publishers the way to create products which maintain the level of pricing that they used to have in print. Because yet again, coming back to a Warwick example, this new product has way more value than book in the past, so there was a good reason to sell it at least as high as they were selling books, and maybe price it even higher. And this also gives publishers an opportunity to create, I would say, compound products which they couldn't create in the past. So this is in a sense a new challenge for them, a new opportunity that opens up completely new market. And the other interesting thing that one of the greatest things about digital publishing is that it helps publishers to maintain direct contact with their buyers, because in the past, when they were selling book, it was really hard to keep talking directly to that person. So we're focused around these two challenges, and we're trying to make use of them for publishers, and thus we're creating a new way of a new definition of digital dictionaries.
That sounds very promising. So how are your first impressions here at the book fair? You've been here now for 2 days. How is the reaction of the trade? Are there any new contracts inside? How does it work?
Well, when it comes to ourselves, we've been promoting this idea of new digital dictionaries, and what we see this year, we see more and more of our partners like joining that vision and starting to go in that direction, and we actually start doing more and more complicated products with the publishers. So it's going very well.
That sounds very good. So I keep my fingers crossed for you that it's going to be very good rest of the book fair, and we hope to see you again next year here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.